Megan, you want to throw too?
But someone has to, like, this is not what you do. Wait. Okay. Are you in this too?
Yeah.
Stop.
Early. Let's throw the trigger. There's a possibility you could electrocute yourself. Only you can prevent idiots. Stop. Improper use of tools can result in chipping and can cause slivers of glass and metal to get in your eye. Only you can prevent idiots. Stop. Hanging tools from the roof can cause injuries. Someone could walk into that. Only you can stop idiots. Stop. Using the dolly improperly can cause an injury to the legs. Only you can prevent idiots.
And now it's time for a quick intermission.
All y'all videos are have music in the background.
Stop. And when the hammers hit, they could break and slivers could fly into your eye. Only you can prevent idiots. Stop. Reenacting the Lord of the Rings can result in permanent damage to the genitals. Ow! Stop. You should not hold a wrench like this. You could pinch your fingers. Only you can prevent idiots. Stop. This is not safe. You could cut your finger. Only you can stop idiots. Stop. That's not right. Only you can prevent idiots.